Hey everybody, we're going to draw germ cartoons today. I thought since we're stuck inside, let's have some fun. So we're going to need something to draw with. I'm going to use a Sharpie so you can see me, and something to color with if you have anything. Now your eyes are one of the many parts of your body that involve expression and how you feel. So we're going to draw a basic circle or an oval and then draw like a backward C connected to it, and I'm going to do that 4 times for you today, so you can have some basic expressions of your eyes. Now I'm going to draw medium-sized circles in the first one, a medium, and a tiny one next to it. I'm going to repeat, and the third one, and I'm going to make a line here to make some eyelids, and then draw normal size eyes. So for eyebrows are another part of expression, and so I'm going to draw basic dots to practice, and I can do slanty away to make kind of sad or worried ones. I can do like a round and a straight one for inquisiting ones. I can do a V shape for angry. I can also just do 2 separate inclining ones for angry, and then I can also do 2 straight ones for annoyed. I like that one. I think it's funny. So we're gonna start with some basic organic shapes. Organic shapes mean they're kind of blob-like and there's really no specific shape. And I'm also gonna do some weird lines with some circles, because I know that some germs have like appendages that like comes shooting out of it. So just some practice. So one trick that I show my 5th graders is the worm trick. So if you draw a worm and you draw straight lines inside your worm, he is pretty flat. So here's an example. If I draw just straight worms like this, just little straight lines in my worm, he looks really flat, like he got ran over. But if I used a curve line, all of a sudden he looks more 3-dimensional, or he has depth because he's round. So when you start to create your germ, I'm going to use a random organic shape, not super perfect, and I'm going to then trace the inside of my germ. And to help make my germ stand out, I'm going to round in a curve this little outline for my germ. I can guarantee you I did not draw this fast, but I did speed up the video for you, and I'm just drawing all these little curved lines around in my germ. I do really like the crazy eyeball right here, and I do kind of like the abnormal eyes over here. So I think I might do something similar. So I'm going to put that circle with that backward C in the middle of my germ, and I'm going to pick one of the eyeball expressions. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some eyebrows. I'm going to do the top eyebrows, the like kind of more worried eyebrows, and then I'm going to add some bubbles inside my germ. Cool, so I'm going to do 2 more different germs and 2 more different expressions of eyes, just to get a good feel of the different types of things you can draw with just different expressive eyes. So I'm going to draw a inquisitive germ right here, maybe confused, and he kind of just looks worm-like, which is fine. And then I'm going to draw like a splattery one, and I think I'm going to make him annoyed looking. So I'm going to draw my circle, my C, and I'm going to do the eyelids, I think. Yep. I'm just going to do this really dark line at the top. And this germ is going to look really cool with some appendages, so I'm going to add some appendages to him to make him look more microscopic, which means really, 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 really tiny. Aha! Jerry, Bob, and Reginald. Those are my germs today. I dig it. All right. So now that you've drawn your pieces, it's time to color them in, ha ha ha. So I'm going to make the color wheel next, because I like looking at all of the colors like I can. So the primary colors, as we know, are red, blue, and yellow. And the missing colors are this purple one and the greens and the oranges. But I'm going to just kind of color in a circle really quick to organize my colors to see what I want. Whoops. Okay, so after I draw this green one, we're going to talk about why they're the primary colors. Why? Because they're the primary colors. Primaries are the most important colors there are because the primary colors make up the other colors that are missing. So blue and red make purple, and then yellow and blue make green, and yellow and red make orange. It's always the same circle. This is called the color wheel, and this triangle represents the primary colors. So you're going to pick 2 to 3 different colors from the color wheel, and I'm going to choose, I think I'm going to choose from this color wheel my orange and yellows, and you know what, maybe even red. So I'm going to choose my warm colors, and I'm going to just start coloring them in. I'm going to speed up the video and pretend that I'm the Flash and can draw and color super fast. And with that, there is my germ. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Happy practicing, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!